Want to reset ESPN Fantasy Football schedule? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. If you want to change the schedule of ESPN Fantasy Football, then remember that only the league manager can do that. There are two options available for modifying the league schedule. One is edit schedule settings, and second is head to head schedule. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to LM Tools. Now, you want to select the option of Schedule and Standing Tools. Here you can change the length of the regular season, modify tiebreakers, assign points for home field advantage, modify playoff brackets, matchup duration, seeding tiebreaker, playoff home field advantage, and finally there is the option of reset schedule. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to select Save Changes, and in this way you can easily reset ESPN Fantasy Football schedule. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.